This is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I will show how you can troubleshoot the Wi-Fi connectivity problems on this device. So you can begin by launching your device's settings, then enter the Wi-Fi category and try switching the Wi-Fi feature off and on. Then you can also open the network details page of the Wi-Fi network you are having issues with, forget the network in question, and then reconnect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network to see if it will fix the problem. What you can also try to do is to make sure that your date and time are properly synchronized, since, well, if they aren't, you will not be able to access the internet services. And well, in order to make sure that your time and date are indeed correct, enter the system category of settings, then go into the date and time and switch on the auto set time to use network provided time, and also switch on the set time zone automatically. And the final method, or the final troubleshooting measure you can try enroll in, is to reset your Wi-Fi preferences. So enter the system category of settings once again, go into the reset phone, reset Wi-Fi settings, reset, and here you have it. So, should you have any further questions, use the comment section below this video, but as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.